Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting opportunity to earn money through the use of OpenAI's chatbot, Chat GPT. Understanding Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a cutting-edge AI language model developed by OpenAI. It has the ability to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This technology has a wide range of applications, including chatbots, language translation, and more. Freelance work. One of the ways to earn money through ChatGPT is by offering your services as a freelance writer. With your skills in writing and knowledge of ChatGPT, you can offer to write content for businesses, websites, and even individuals. The demand for high-quality content is always on the rise, and with ChatGPT, you can deliver it faster and more efficiently. Chatbot development. Another way to earn money through ChatGPT is by developing chatbots. With its advanced language capabilities, ChatGPT can be used to build chatbots for a variety of purposes, such as customer service, marketing, and more. As a chatbot developer, you can offer your services to businesses and organizations and charge for your services. Online courses and tutorials. If you're an expert in ChatGPT and want to share your knowledge with others, you can create and sell online courses and tutorials. Teach others how to use ChatGPT, how to write content with it, and how to develop chatbots using the technology. This is a great way to monetize your skills and knowledge and help others at the same time. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT offers a wealth of opportunities for those looking to earn money in the AI and technology space. Whether you're a freelance writer, a chatbot developer, or a teacher, there's a demand for your skills and knowledge. So, take advantage of this exciting opportunity and start earning money through ChatGPT today. Outro. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching.